Okay, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, it looks like you guys can probably hear me. I don't know how good or bad the audio quality is, but this is more or less just a retake of a video I did previously about fixing a couple of AMD driver errors. We're just gonna jump right into it. My previous video was something like 20 minutes, which is absolutely insane, whereas this should be like 7. All right. So first thing you're going to want to do, if you got AMD driver or AMD and you're trying to run like a Vega 64 on Windows Server 2022, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to AMD's website. Go to amd.com, go to drivers. You'll get to this download page. First thing you're going to want to do is to get your actual AMD driver. So for example, this is going to be a Vega 64 that I'm running. So we're just going to get this. Now, whatever Windows Server variant you're running, so if you're running Windows Server, it would be 2008 R2, you're going to look at Windows 7. If you're looking at something like Windows Server 2022, the one that's currently out, you're going to be looking at this one, Windows 10 64-bit edition. Just whichever one, whatever Windows build is equivalent to your Windows Server thing, just get that. So you'll go here, find whichever variant of soft driver package you're going to want. I like the Pro Edition just because it's an older revision, and I don't know, I suspect it might be more reliable. Who knows? I could be totally wrong. It might be similar to WHQL. I think these two are probably the same for the most part. No? I don't know. The release date doesn't match. But anyways, just download this, and that'll be, once you download it, you'll extract the file. So just extract it to wherever you want. By default, it goes to C drive AMD. I extracted it here. So Windows 10. Open up Device Manager. Go to your display adapter. You'll see Microsoft Display Adapter right here under Display. You're just going to right-click, hit Update Driver. Go to Browse My Computer. Hit Browse. Wherever you ended up extracting that driver. So for example, I extracted it to Downloads. You're just going to click it. Hit OK. Hit Next. And then it'll install the driver. I've already installed it, so it doesn't have to worry about it. Once you do that, go ahead and download the other software package. Go back to drivers. Now you just want to get the actual software for the software suite for Windows Server. So you're just going to go to Professional Graphics. For example, I'm just going to go to Radeon Pro W5000 5700. And it doesn't really matter. I just want a download link for Windows Server 2022 64-bit edition. There is one for 2019. I don't know if that's going to work on anything else. Probably not. OS check is a bitch. Anyways, you're just going to download this. You're going to extract it just like you ended up extracting your Windows 10 thing. So now you have both files or both folders for the software suite extracted. You're going to go to config, find a install manifest JSON. Actually, I'll show you real quick the kind of error that you'll get. So if you try to run it without doing this, here you go, error 186, cannot continue due to, that was a different error. That was a manifest error. I may have broke it. But anyways, that's besides the point. We don't have to worry about it. Config, go to install manifest, right click it, open with, always use, no, we don't want to do it. We're just going to open up Notepad. Oh, I don't have permission? Well, I need to change that. You don't have to do this. This is only because I have to, because I broke it. Okay, hit full control, apply, okay. I'm probably going to have to do it for that one. That's fine. So we'll run it again. It should behave differently. Yeah, here you go. Now it's actually running. Yeah. Okay, right here. Installer detected graphics hardware in your system configuration that is not supported. And then we'll also have to fix this real too. Properties. So this is what you'll have to do if you download my files without that security tweak. You'll have to do that in order to get it to work properly. The downloads are going to be in the description. Just download the files if you want to. Lazy bastards. AMD Software Installer cannot continue due to unsupported operating system. So those are the two errors you get. And yeah, so we're just going to open this. Go to config, like I said. Go to install manifest. Open with Notepad. This is the server one. And we're going to go here, config, install manifest, open with Notepad. Here you go. Now, control, you don't have to do that. So right, if you scroll down, you're going to see something called hardware check inside here. And basically, you gotta find hardware check in here. This is missing a bunch of hardware IDs. Just come over here, copy the hardware IDs, paste them in place. Now, you're gonna have to find the next one, because I think there is 3 entries of hardware checks. So scroll down, copy the relevant hardware check. Oh, was that the second one? Yeah, hardware check right here. Go in. As you can see, the hardware check is a lot shorter list on the server one. And then there's a third hardware check right here. I'm pretty sure this one includes all the hardware IDs for both files, but I can't be arsed to double check. So just copy them over, call it a day. Boom. Hardware checks. Modified it. Now, if you wanted to do it inversely, you can also go to the OS check, because there's that as well. So right under each hardware check, you see OS check. And what you could do is you can just copy this entry like so. And then just change it to OS check. We don't need to worry about that one. Don't need to worry about that one. We're good. Go here. Go to OS check. Guess we don't have to worry about that one. Here we go. Other one. Another OS check. Another OS check. And then right here. Boom. Now we've modified both, so both of them are going to be able to work on any version of Windows, be it Windows Server 2022 or Windows 10. And both of them will work whether you're using enterprise hardware or non-enterprise hardware. So the software packages will install to both systems. For example, we'll go ahead and just run it as an example. Negative, it's got a corrupted manifest file. So did I not fix it? Properties. Did this one get corrupted? If you did it wrong, you'll encounter an error like that. I did it wrong. I don't want to redo this 10-minute video. It's probably the OS check mod that I did that broke it. Son of a bitch. I don't want to fix it. I don't want to fix it. Why would I want to fix it? Screw that. Let's go ahead and fix it. As you can see, if you botch it, gotta do it again. What if I just copy this OS check file? If I do that. See how that works. Here we go. All right, let's go fix this other one. Look at that. It works. Ta-da! I'm allowed to install this software, which is Windows Server with RX Vega. No problem. Cancel installation. Yes, let's go fix this one because I botched that too. I don't know. I did some kind of format wrong. So I'm just going to do this. There. Oh, I forgot the freaking comma. So you don't have to do all of this. It's just I missed the comma. I'm an idiot. That's why it gave an error. Do. Anyways, this would just be quick and dirty. I think I did that on my last video as well. There we go. Fixed. And now this one's going to work just fine too. Okay, so this 10-minute video became a 15-minute video because I made an oof. That's fine. If you're going to download my manifest file from the internet, which is not recommended, just modify it yourself. Don't download modified driver files from the internet. But if you're going to do it anyways because you don't care and you can't be arsed, what you're going to do is you're just going to right-click the manifest, go to Properties, go to Security. Right here, you're going to have nothing there because the property files, for whatever reason, when you copy over the manifest file, it removes the security properties. Hit Edit. Hit Add. Type in administrators. Hit check name. There you go. Hit Add. OK. And then just hit full control. Hit Apply. That's what you'll do. That'll allow it to run. That'll fix the manifest error file that I got earlier. All right. Peace. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section. If you run into an issue, leave it in the comment section. I may get to it eventually. Probably not. Peace.